If you're a family and you're looking to be nearby to sought after schooling, then keep watching. Now I'm on Belmont Road, which is on the border of Bexleyheath and Erith, and I'm here to show you this 4 to 5 bedroom extended semi-detached family property that comes with a large driveway to the front. You've got a low maintenance garden, there's 2 bathrooms, downstairs toilet, it's modern. I think you're really going to like it. Let me show you around. So I hope you enjoyed taking a look around. Now this property is in a fantastic location. You're nearby to local shops and bus links. You're around 15 minutes from Barnehurst station, whilst you're also in between 2 sought after primary schools in both Belmont and Bursted Wood primaries. Now if you'd like to come and take a look at this property, my name's Aaron. You can contact myself or a member of my team using the details that follow. Thanks for watching, have a great day, take care.